Hello students, welcome to our today's e-lecture. Today we are going to recall the concept of perpendicular bisector which we have done in class 6 and the new concept that is circumcenter. What perpendicular bisector is? The perpendicular bisector of a side of a triangle is the line that bisects the side and is perpendicular to that line. Now I have drawn this triangle ABC. This is an acute angle triangle. Now from point B, I have drawn this line that is perpendicular bisector of line AC. If I am going to draw the perpendicular bisector of the other side from vertex A to opposite side BC and from C to this side, these all three perpendicular bisectors, they meet at a point. And the point of concurrence of perpendicular bisector of the side of the triangle is called circumcenter. Where all these three perpendicular bisectors meet, this point is known as circumcenter of this triangle. Now I am going to illustrate with the help of the construction on three types of triangle. Let us recapitulate the concept of perpendicular bisector and circumcenter with the help of constructions. Here, one triangle, acute angle triangle ABC is drawn on this paper. Now, I am going to draw the perpendicular bisector of these three sides of this triangle. Suppose, first of all, I am taking the side AB. How to draw the perpendicular bisector, बच्चे? Whatever the measurement of this AB, जितना भी होगा, you have to open the compass more than half of this measurement. Suppose if it is 5 centimeter, the half of 5 is 2.5 and you will open your compass more than 2.5, around 3. You can open the compass, keep the tip of your compass at B and draw an arc. One is on this side of the AB and one on the other side of AB. एक आर्क आपने AB के इधर लगानी है, एक आर्क इधर. नाउ टेकिंग ए एज अ सेंटर, जिस भी लाइन का हमें परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर करना है उसके दोनों एंड पॉइंट्स पर. पहले मैंने रखा बी पर, अब नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू कीप इट एट ए. इफ दे डोंट इंटरसेक्ट, आप बी पर रखकर पहली वाली आर्क को बढ़ा देंगे. नाउ व्हाट वी ऑब्जर्व दैट दीज टू आर्क्स दे गेट कट ऑफ टू यू, दोनों बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर एंड वी विल जॉइन द लाइन टू द जहां पर दोनों आर्क्स ने इंटरसेक्ट किया है, we will join that line in this way. Now we got the perpendicular bisector of side AB. Perpendicular bisector is the line which divide the line segment into two equal parts and that is perpendicular to that side. Now for AB, same method, whatever the measurement of AB, open the compass more than half and keep your tip of the compass at B and then on the other point of the side C, and in this way that two arcs, they should cut each other. They have cut each other. यहाँ थोड़ा सा नीचे आ गया बच्चे, and you have to join them with the help of scale. आपने उन दोनों आर्क को join किया. In this way you got the perpendicular bisector of the side BC. Up now I'm going to take out the perpendicular bisector of this side AC. दोनों तरफ आपने आर्क लगानी है बच्चे. Whatever the measurement is given, you have to open the compass more than half of the measurement of AC and you will join them. Now what do you observed? This point where all these three sides, they are meeting, that is circumcenter of the triangle. Now the next example is of right angle triangle. Two perpendicular bisector I have already drawn of side AC and BC, but आप लोगों को ये करना है. This is just to save the time, but आप लोगों को तीनों को same method, so you have to find it out by the same method as I am doing for AB. Whatever the measurement of AB, आपको कंपास उतनी ओपन करनी है दोनों तरफ से, जितने हाफ से ज्यादा खोलना है, और दोनों तरफ आपने बच्चे आर्क लगानी है. Where that two arcs meet, जहां पर दोनों arcs, where that two meets, you will join them with the help of scale. Now, what you observe, this is also the perpendicular bisector of this side. Now I'm going to dark it with the help of pencil, and this is the perpendicular bisector of side AC, which I have already done, but you have to do it yourself. After joining the perpendicular bisector of the sides, what I observe, this point, the point of joining of three perpendicular bisector is circumcenter, is at the midpoint of the hypotenuse. So the circumcenter of a right angle triangle lies in the midpoint of the hypotenuse. Now next I am taking obtuse angle triangle. Now obtuse angle triangle, I have drawn one obtuse angle triangle. Same perpendicular bisector of two sides I have already taken out. I have already drawn on the sheet AC and BC. But again you have to do it your own. Now I am taking out for side AB. मेजरमेंट आपने उसके साइड के मेजरमेंट से हाफ से ज़्यादा कंपास ओपन करनी है. वट एवर द मेजरमेंट ऑफ AB, आपको उसकी कंपास हाफ से ज़्यादा ओपन करनी है. टेकिंग B एज अ सेंटर, आपने दोनों तरफ लगाई आर्क, एंड देन फॉर टेकिंग A एज अ सेंटर, आपने दोनों तरफ आर्क लगानी है, विच कट द प्रीवियस आर्क्स, दोनों पॉइंट्स पर कट करेंगे, एंड यू हैव टू जॉइन दीज टू पॉइंट्स को, आपको जहाँ पर आर्क्स ने इंटरसेक्ट की, विद द हेल्प ऑफ द स्केल, व्हेन यू विल जॉइन. Now again I am showing you with the dark lines with the perpendicular bisector of side BC. This is perpendicular bisector of side BC, and this is perpendicular bisector of side AC. Now what you observe, again these three perpendicular bisector, they are concurrent, they are meeting at a point, and this point is known as circumcenter, but they are not meeting at a in the interior, they are meeting at the exterior point of triangle. Now I am going to explain about the concept of circumcircle. In this acute angle triangle, we have obtained this O point is the circumcenter of this triangle, where all the three perpendicular bisector meets. Now taking O as center and OA as the radius. आप OA को radius लें बच्चा. If you are taking, you can take OC as radius, you can take OB as radius. And if you are going to draw this circle, as I am doing it here, you have to draw the circle. Now, observe this circle. This circle, that is circumcircle, touches all the three vertices of this triangle, A, B and C, and the circumcenter, O is known as circumcenter. You have taken OA as the radius to draw this circle, and O is circumcenter. Now this length OA, OB and OC are equal. What does it mean? That circumcenter is equidistant from the vertices. This circumcenter is equidistant from the vertices, and this taking OA as a radius, you can draw this circumcircle. Let us recall the concept of perpendicular bisector and circumcenter. Few statements are given to us. We have to state them, either they are true or false, and if they are false, we have to make them true. The first statement: the perpendicular bisector of the sides of a triangle are concurrent. Are these perpendicular bisector, are all the three perpendicular bisector of the sides are meeting at a point? Yes, this is true, and that point is known as circumcenter. जहां वो तीनों मिलते हैं perpendicular bisector, उस point को हम कहते हैं circumcenter. Next, the perpendicular bisector of the sides of the triangle passes through the vertices of a triangle. Recall करें? No, this is false. That the perpendicular bisector of a triangle passes through the sides. Vertices को cut करके what we have to write? Sides of the triangle. The circumcenter is equidistant from the sides of the triangle. Is it true or false? The circumcenter, This is false. That is equidistance from the vertices. Fourth, circumcenter of an obtuse angle triangle is in the interior of the triangle. Recall करें? We did that. Yes, no. The circumcenter of an obtuse angle triangle lies in the exterior. So this is also false. So home assignment for today is do worksheet 7. Do worksheet 7, chapter 8.